Welcome to Business Training Media's channel. Whether you're stepping into the world of project management for the first time or looking to enhance your skills, you've come to the right place. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for expert insights, professional development advice, and business strategies. In today's short overview, we'll break down everything you need to know about project management, including what it is, why it's so important, and how you can start mastering this valuable skill. Let's get started. What is project management? At its core, project management is the process of planning, organizing, and overseeing tasks to achieve specific goals within a set timeline and budget. Whether it's launching a new product, organizing an event, or developing software, every project needs a clear plan and dedicated leadership to succeed. Think of it like being the captain of a ship. You're steering the project toward its destination while navigating through challenges like time constraints, resource allocation, and unexpected changes. Let's review why project management is important. A well-executed project management strategy can boost efficiency. By setting clear priorities and timelines, teams can work smarter, not harder. Reduce risks. Identifying potential challenges early helps prevent costly mistakes. Enhance collaboration. Strong project management ensures everyone knows their role, fostering teamwork. Deliver results. Ultimately, it's all about achieving goals within scope, time, and budget. No matter the industry, project management serves as the backbone of any successful endeavor by ensuring that goals are met efficiently and effectively. Whether you're in technology, healthcare, construction, education, or the creative arts, the principles of project management are universally applicable. By aligning resources, managing timelines, and fostering team collaboration, project management transforms chaos into clarity, paving the way for innovation and growth. Without it, even the most promising initiatives can struggle to reach their full potential. Let's break down the 5 key elements every project manager should know. Initiation. This is where the project begins. Define the goals, scope, and stakeholders involved. Planning. Develop a detailed roadmap, including timelines, budgets, and resources. Tools like Gantt charts and project management software can be invaluable here. Execution. Time to put the plan into action. Assign tasks, manage resources, and keep communication flowing. Monitoring. Track progress to ensure everything stays on schedule and within budget. Regular check-ins and updates are crucial. Closure. Celebrate your success. Reflect on lessons learned and share results with stakeholders. Mastering these phases is key to becoming a successful project manager. But remember, the journey doesn't stop here. What makes a great project manager? Here are a few essential skills to focus on. Leadership. Guide your team with confidence and clarity. Communication. Clear and effective communication is the foundation of any successful project, as it ensures that everyone involved understands their roles, responsibilities, and objectives. Time management. Prioritize tasks, stay organized, and effectively allocate resources to ensure deadlines are met without compromising on quality. Problem solving. Adapt quickly to challenges, think critically under pressure, and find creative solutions that keep the project on track and aligned with its goals. Technical skills. Familiarity with project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Microsoft Project is a big plus. These skills don't just help you manage projects. They position you as a critical asset in any organization by demonstrating your ability to lead, strategize, and deliver results. Effective project managers are not only problem solvers, but also key drivers of innovation and efficiency, ensuring that resources are used wisely and objectives are achieved. Organizations value professionals who can navigate complexity, build strong teams, and adapt to shifting priorities, all while keeping projects aligned with business goals. By mastering these skills, you showcase your potential to influence outcomes, contribute to organizational success, and stand out as a leader in your field. Project management is a skill that opens doors to endless opportunities. And the best part? You don't have to figure it out alone. We've carefully selected the best online project management courses based on industry recognition, real-world value, and career outcomes. We've included direct links to each recommended course in the description below so you can review the details and choose the best fit for your goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your network. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our next video. Click on the one on your screen now.